If you had a rope, would you pull me in to stretch and dry our limbs? Well, it's somewhere too close and somewhere too far out of reach. I still feel old and our nights are long, sweet when we lay. Not possibly now, but my arms are yours when you're near. But if you have some time, come and seek for me, dear. It must be the way you laugh and dance around me, or the way you smile and speak so tenderly. Is there a way we've missed or haven't seen? I took the leaves you misplaced and covered my head. We have a wall to crowd and walk around. We found a shining place, so don't leave now. I have hollow here to hide away. You're in the darkest room in my tiny bed.